Hello viewers, you're welcome for this main lecture on strategic implementation. I'm Amon Sifuni Mrutu, a student at AKU. First of all, let's pass through the learning outcome that we have to, at the end of this lecture, we are supposed to be able to define what is strategic implementation. But the second is to draw and label the model of strategic implementation. And the last is to list and explain at least 3 elements under this 7S model. First, let's have a look on definition of this strategic implementation. That is the process whereby a person who is implementing can change the plan to action so as to accomplish the strategy objective or goals. And this is given by Olsen 2019. After having a look on that definition, now let's see the models again of implementing a strategy. There are 2 models that are commonly used in implementing a strategy. The first one is known as 7S model, and the second one is known as balanced scorecard model. For the sake of this main lecture, we are going to concentrate on 7S model. Here is the 7S model that is divided into 2 elements, namely hard element and soft element. Now, why hard element? They are known as hard element because they are not easy to be changed. That when you want to change them, they'll incorporate more than one dimension or one component. Now, the soft element is opposite of the hard element. Coming to the model now itself, you'll find that at the top we have strategy, structure, and system. At the bottom we have style, staff, and skills. At the middle we have shared value. Now these are what make it to be 7 elements. That 3 at the top, and 3 at the bottom, and 1 at the center. But when you check, all those 6 are pointing to the center one, that is shared values. Now the upper one are known as hard element, as I said before, and the lower one known as a soft element. Now let's go to explanation on this hard element. Now when you take a strategy, this is an organization plan that expresses how an institution will achieve its vision. It includes all the planning, management, and other activities that can be performed in a given institution so that vision can be achieved easily. But the second S is structure, that this is the organization arrangement, how department, how other organization, other structure in the organization can be accommodate those activities that are intended so as to achieve a given goals of an institution. And the third and the last S is system. This is the how departments work together so as to achieve attain the given goals. And this is, you'll see even from the beginning that all these elements are pointing to the center, that is shared value. And again, all elements are linked to show that these are part and parcel that cannot work independently. Then let's go for a feedback. If the relation of these elements are convergent or divergent. For more feedback, you can visit this website. You will find information about the question above. From here, this is the end of this main lecture. Thank you for watching. You're welcome, and thank you.